I'm excited to share with you the FMH Conveyors Best Flex family of products. This is the Best Flex Powered Roller Flexible Conveyor. The Powered Roller Flexible Conveyor is used in a wide variety of markets, including third-party logistics, manufacturing, e-commerce, and distribution. The Best Flex conveyors are available as a 1.5 and a 1.9 diameter roller conveyor. The 1.5 is most commonly used because it allows the smallest compacted footprint. It's available standard with a 6-inch caster with an 8-inch caster upgrade. For more robust applications, we do offer the 1.9 conveyor that comes standard with 8-inch casters. Each conveyor is equipped with multiple DC drive motors, can be used as live roller transportation or zero pressure accumulation. We can also do reversing transportation or reversing accumulation controls. The Best Flex is available as 18-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, and 36-inch wide between frames. Each conveyor comes standard with start-stop switches on each end of each conveyor, handles on each end. The standard conveyor does come with adjustable leg heights. For applications where there will be impact loading, we do suggest bolted leg heights when the elevation is known. You can also equip the conveyor with rigid impact carts with a powered roller bed or gravity bed. And for ease of movement in and out of trailers, you can add our POWERTRAX Power Assist to power the conveyor in and out. The conveyors come with an optional package top that's retractable when not in use. The Best Flex conveyor operates on a 120-volt single-phase AC power supply. 15-amp, 20-amp, and 30-amp services are available. If you have additional questions on the Best Flex family of products, please visit our website at fmhconveyors.com.